Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and change the battery on this Honda Civic. But before I change the battery, I'm going to show you how to jump your car. So you come to your car and you try to press the remote, the door not opening. You can use your key, turn it towards the back of the car. If you turn it towards the front, that's lock. If you turn it towards the back, that's unlock. And once you unlock the door, you want to come down here and you want to pull this right here. Once you pull that, you're going to hear the sound on the hood open or bonnet open. And once that open, it's going to come up, but it's still going to be locked by the safety latch that's there. So you want to feel for right here and unhook it from there. And when you unhook it from there, you want to get this and put it over there. This is called a prop rod, by the way. This is the safety latch. So that's what you see I did. And what this have a hook right here, which unhook from right here. So in case your latch fail, this will save it from the hood going back into the windshield. So you want to come over here. You want to check out the negative terminal right here and the positive terminal right here. So you want to unhook this by lifting it up, open it, connect your positive cable right here, your negative cable right here to your power source, and that's how you go ahead and jump the car. And we gonna remove the battery from this car. We're gonna go ahead and remove the battery from this car and replace it with another one. So let's get started on that procedure. Also, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also guys, I know a lot of you always complain, oh, take off the negative terminal first or take off the positive terminal. Don't take off the positive terminal. To be honest with you guys, it doesn't matter which one you take off. You can start from the positive, as long as you don't let the tool you're working on come in contact with any metal part of the body. Doesn't matter which one you take off first, the right or the left. But if this is your first time doing a battery, to do it the safer way, you will go ahead and remove the negative, because even if it come in contact with any part of the body, because it's already negative and the whole car is negative, so have less chance of causing a sparks or possibly damage the fuse or even your computer. So once you remove that right there, you just go ahead and remove this also. This is a clip, but it's hard to come up. Alright, so that's then go ahead and remove the positive cable. Alright, that's off. Next step, you want to remove these 10mm, and I will leave a link in the description for the tools I use and also the size battery, so you guys can order it from there. 10mm. So basically these just hook into the body, into part of the car, just like this one right here. You see hook right there. So this one hook over here. So we just want to unhook that, unhook this, and we can lift this out. Once we lift this out, we can go ahead and lift the battery out. Once again, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. So guys, this one is the battery it used a 51R battery. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so we gonna go ahead and install this battery right here. So make sure it sits properly, it's not dancing around. Once you put it in, it should just sit properly. And then we're gonna put the sleeve around the battery. So it's probably easier if I did put it with the battery off, but it still can go in there. So I'll put the heat shield around the battery. Alright, so make sure the whole thing sits properly, because this other plastic around the battery move. You want to get this back. The longer one go over here, and the shorter one go right here. And it's going to be 10mm to tighten it up. Once again, link will be in the description for the battery and for the tools. Go ahead and tighten this up. So that's good, nice and snug. And it doesn't matter if you put the positive cable on first or the negative cable on first, but to be safe, if it's your first time, put the positive cable on first, for the same reason I explained in the beginning of the video. Alright, go ahead and put your negative cable on. Can you go ahead and tighten this up? Alright, so once that's done, you guys always complain for me to crank the car up after I finish. I'm gonna go my wrong. Crank the car up. So what I like to do is just turn the ignition on just for like a few seconds, maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and crank the car up. So once that's done, you can come over here, press the menu and also clock, and you can press set the clock, and it's AM and the time is 9:27. Once you do that, you select that, you want to go to the other side. When you select it, will go to the other side. So 9:27, I'm gonna put 9:28. I'm gonna press set, and that's it, guys. That's how you set the time. And on the Civic. All right. Also, guys, I would like if you could like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I know you're seeing all these warning lights in the car, but this didn't come from the from me replacing the battery. This car had this problem before, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that problem. But apart from that, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.